blog JennaKateAtHome.com. Today I'm sharing with you a really fun kids bedroom makeover. So this bedroom belongs to my 5-year-old son. Eventually his 3-year-old brother is going to be sharing the room with him too. This is the last room in our house that had yet to be touched. It was dark, kind of had a hodgepodge of furniture, and never had any real design thought put into it. Until now. I had two main goals for this space. First and foremost, I wanted to make a much brighter bedroom. The second thing that I wanted to accomplish was to figure out a layout that allowed 2 beds to be in the room. In terms of a theme or a color story for the room, I knew I wanted to achieve a coastal vibe without it feeling overly beachy. While we already had some aspects of navy in the room, I wanted to take away that navy wall that I mentioned before while keeping some of those navy touches. So instead of having lots of dark wood paired with this deep blue navy color, I opted to remove all the dark wood, keep some of the navy blue accents, and add in a lot more neutral colors such as off-white, white, and even a hint of gray. The starting point for the space was the navy blue duvet. We already owned this duvet cover and my son absolutely loved it, so there was no way I was getting rid of it. But I did want to pare down some of the navy so it wasn't so all-encompassing. Layering bedding is a great way to achieve a fun look, especially in a kid's bedroom. Playing with patterns and colors gives a great effect. For this bedroom, I chose a navy blue polka dot sheet, mostly white with just a touch of navy blue. Then I had this solid blue duvet cover paired with a gray quilt with a white stripe. Combination of stripe, solid, and polka dot is a great example of layering in different prints. It's really easy to do. You start with a small print, in this case a polka dot, a solid print, which is the navy blue duvet cover, and then a larger print. In this case, we're talking about the gray quilt with the large white stripe on it. The navy blue book ledges tie in that navy blue color again. They were a very simple DIY using some scrap wood that we already had at hand. The shiplap walls add texture while still keeping the space neutral, but you don't feel like you just have these blank walls. And I love how they add warmth and coziness to the space. I refinished the dresser that was already in this room, hung a little shark head above it, some sharp prints tying in those navy colors again, along with some DIY prints of my kids' names. All sources for this room makeover can be found in the description. If you enjoyed what you just saw, please hit the subscribe button. I got lots more great room makeovers, DIY projects, and recipes coming your way.